Well, what's the best way to chill out on a Tuesday evening? You get the fire pit going. You give the mutt a stick so he can chew his way through it. You chill out on the sofa and you have a look around the garden. So that's about a year on now, and it's filling out quite nicely. The grass is all settled down. The garden's starting to pad out now, so it's looking pretty good. Lots of colour. Things we planted last year are going a bit crazy. That was a twig last year, and it was really took out. Got a bit of a dirty patio area, so we'll skip over that, but to be fair, I did sweep it yesterday, and it's these trees, they're just dropping everything at the moment. It's got a solitary rose peeking through just here, nice little red rose, and the olive tree this year, well, it looks like it's bearing fruit. So we've got loads of what looks like small olives growing on it. It's never produced any fruit at all, this, so it'll be interesting to see what goes on. I've got a monkey puzzle tree in there that's been growing for about 10 years from a twig, and that's yeah, it's very slow growing, but it's doing well. All the grasses have gone absolutely crazy. Like I say, we are getting some colour in the garden now, some nice whites and purples, some pinks over here, and of course some geraniums giving us some nice red, and some purple in the lupins. It's all looking good. And ironically, when you look in the tree, now I lobbed this tree down last year, really hit it back hard. It's gone crazy again, it's almost back to where it was, but we've got clematis growing through it as well. Look at that, pink clematis in it. Yeah, garden's looking good here on. We got fire to keep us going, so it's a night chilling out in the garden.